The challenges for the business events industry in Asia Pacific are really quite wide and varied. You have a variety of countries, all different languages, cultural considerations, and so thinking about how we work across the region, we've just got to make sure that we bring our teams into that thinking of how do we take on board those differences and then enhance them and then create the collaborations as well.
Change. So many influences that are impacting on our businesses, rapid change, and it's a little bit hard to keep pace with rapid change.
Some of the challenges our clients are facing: increasing competitiveness between different markets. There are a lot of growth markets inside Australia at the moment, and so there's different opportunities that also cause more competitiveness. Probably the most frequent international challenge that comes up is the distance, and people looking at internationally whether they can get delegates to Australia. However, most of our customers, what they do experience when they bring an event into Australia and Melbourne is that people want to make the distance. Especially now, people are wanting to come to Australia as that bucket list type experience, and so Australia is a great place to hold events.
A lot of our clients are facing the challenge that everyone is of people booking late, the heart beating quite loudly throughout the journey, and then all the registrations come in the last minute. But the other thing that they're also thinking about is, and we challenge them on it, is how meeting design and what they're actually doing with their own meeting and trying to get them to create something that people will actually want to come to a lot earlier. A lot are actually afraid of changing convention and keeping up with the trends of how people are actually behaving. Our clients are facing challenges about getting people there, people registering early enough to provide that level of financial security to enable our clients to plan better and to make some better decisions, because a lot of the decisions are only made once they know that they can afford it, especially about what I would call the optional extras in conferences.